This free step-by-step video comes to you directly from Haynes. You can complete more than 200 jobs on this vehicle when you purchase the complete Haynes online manual at haynes.com.
Insert the ignition key into the lock, rotate it anti-clockwise to release the bonnet, then clockwise to release the safety catch. Open the bonnet and support it with the prop. Reach behind the headlight, depress the clip and remove the cover. Gently pull the wiring plug from the bulb terminals. Push the retaining clip forward slightly and unhook it from the catch. Remove the bulb from the reflector. Taking care not to touch the bulb glass with bare skin, insert the bulb into the reflector, aligning the lugs on the bulb flange with the slots in the reflector socket. Fold over the retaining clip and engage it with the catch. Press the wiring plug firmly onto the bulb terminals. Engage the lugs along the lower edge of the cover with the slots in the headlight housing. Then close the cover. Clip the support back into place on the front panel, then firmly close the bonnet.